What's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? It has been a minute, and I have been saying that I'm going to do a video of an update of things. So pay no attention to the background. You know how that is. It's always a mess. Always will be a mess. Uh, yeah. So let's talk, you guys. I know two. I just did a video this morning. I know two one day. You know when that thing gets to thinging, this is what happens. So I want to welcome you guys back to my channel. I really appreciate y'all sticking in there, even though I've been MIA for a while. And all of you that are new for being here. If you are and you like this or any of my other videos, click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll be notified of other videos. So let's get into it, guys. A lot has happened since the last time I've done any video like this. Um, Lord, where do I start? Well, I had the reason I stopped crafting for a while is the crafting community sucks. It does. There was a lot of bullying going on, a lot of emails sent to me that were not nice, things that were sent to me that was not nice. So it just kind of dampened the feeling of me crafting. Now I could go in more detail about that, but I'm not. Um, these people do not deserve any attention at all. Just know that it was pretty bad. Those closest to me know the details. Um, Other than that, that is, what's up. A lot of bullying. It was pretty bad. So I went in the background for a while. Definitely messes with your mental health. So thank God I'm still doing therapy. So, which is good. It's done a lot for me. Um, so that is the biggest reason why I just haven't been crafting. I haven't done really much of anything, and that I have done, I haven't put out there. Um, I had to take that time for me, for my family, because my mental health was not the best. So there is that. Now another reason is my dude. Now all of you know I have I've got four amazing kids, two beautiful grandbabies. Love all of my kids. My youngest, the dude, you all know him. He was around when I was pregnant with him. He was around when he was born. Some of you have watched him grow into the individual that he is today. He is now 8 years old, almost at 7. He's 8. Um, and I do vape. If that bothers you guys, please scroll on by. Don't watch this. Over here, it is what it is. What you see is what you get. So, my dude, he's a complicated little guy. We've went through so much with this kid, um, knowing he was different and there was issues that needed to be addressed. But to find people that'll do it or find people that will listen has been not many until last year. Well, until kindergarten. Kindergarten, he was diagnosed with ADHD on both sides, ADD, OCD, and so that has been um, a lot. So he takes off um, at school. When you pick him up, he just goes and that could be a regular thing. From what I've seen, that's not the case with him. He don't do it much, but he does do it. We get out of the car and he just goes. Um, so we have been trying to find the medication that we need to help him to make better choices and to think. Of course, anybody who knows anything about ADHD, that's a complicated situation of its own. Well, last year, um, concerns were brought up that he has learning. problems. He comprehension absolutely 100%. Um, I I've always been kind of leery about his speech and stuff. So last year well, this year in May, he was diagnosed with autism. He's a level 2. He was also diagnosed this year with ODD. So it's crazy. It's a lot. He's a lot. We have good days and we have bad days. Here lately, well, here since Friday, we've had some pretty bad days. He's been a little much. So most of my time is with him to teach him, to help him. He has a great team that is there for him, not just him, but me as well. And I love that about the school that he goes to. They're absolutely amazing individuals. Not only do I have family that I have, um, I've got a lot of help, a lot of support now. It wasn't always the case. Um, I wasn't listened to. Dude wasn't listened to. Forget me. Dude wasn't listened to. The only way for him to have his voice heard is by his body language. A lot of times, his anger, his anxiety, because he can't find the words to say to explain how he's feeling. Not that he's not capable to, but it just doesn't happen with everything that he's battling right now. It's a lot for him, and he is a strong little guy, and he's trying. He is, and we have so many people around him helping him. Now he's in speech therapy. He's got vocabulary um, therapy going on. If vocabulary is therapy's real thing, I don't know. But speech and vocabulary, he is getting special help for. He has a meeting Wednesday that will determine if he needs an IEP. Me personally, with everything that I've seen, everything I've heard, everything that's happened, IEP is definitely something that's going to happen. That's just from what I'm saying. I They can't say because none of us has sat down after all of his testing. So there's all of that. It's a lot, but I wouldn't have it any. Well, I don't know. I would love to have it another way, just for dude, because of what he battles every day. It is stressful. It's mentally and emotionally exhausting. Sometimes physically exhausting. But it is what it is, so I have to give most, if not all, of my time to him. And it's hard. It's hard to balance that and everything else that I have to do, cleaning house, laundry, cooking, Bub, Autumn, the grandbabies, and it's so much. And I've never been really good at balancing that time. I don't think anyway. Um, I have a couple friends. One that I know definitely would say, "Yeah, you kind of do," but I don't think I do. So I'm trying to balance everything and still be here, still put content out. I have so many ideas of things to create and share with you, but it's picking and choosing my battles. And if I have to, give up doing a video one day just to handle the other important business that I got going on, that's what happens. And of course, all of you know that. Most of you know that it is family. That's what it's about for me first. Family first, and everything else second. So that's why I never guarantee or promise that I'm going to put X amount of videos out in one day because I can't do that. That's not how my life works. But I'm hoping to at least put out one video a week. Today you got two. and that's awesome. Go me, woo! But not every week. That's not going to happen every week. So that's what's been going on, you guys. Just a lot of appointments, a lot of uh, stress, just so much going on. But I'm in a better place mentally and emotionally. Um, like I said, I'm still going and getting the help that I need and working on me so I could be a better mom, wife, and grandma. Mem. I'm a mem, not a grandma. I'm a mem. There is a difference, kind of. Not really, but we're going to say there is. Um, I want to be better with all of that and keep my mental health in check. I've had some bad days. That's just the way that is. I'm not going to say that, I'm 100% better. I have my days. Sometimes in days or weeks, but I get through it. I have, like I said, four amazing kids who help and are encouraging. And oh man, he helps and he encourages, and that's great. My sister, too, my family, um, all help and they understand. Even though it's frustrating for them, they understand and they love me and they love me through it. And that is what's important. And that's, you need that kind of support in your life, whether you have a kid that has different abilities or not. Everyone needs people like that in their lives. And I'm so thankful I have that. So, but that is what's up. That's what's going on. I'm just busy. My dude has so much going on. Um, I'm trying to get myself back to where I can create and not necessarily create to do videos, but create because, it makes you feel good. So, uh, that's the whole thing. That's what's up. That's what's going on. And now that one, I have a webcam that is actually halfway decent. My other one was no good at all. I can actually put content out. Maybe, you know, go live sometime. Maybe on a Sunday, do coffee talk till football starts. Football is important till football is on, which is noon. So maybe I can get back into doing some coffee talk. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Keep a watch out because a lot of times it's going to be spur of the moment. So, and as you can tell, we have not moved yet. We are still looking. The house market is insane, and people are insane, and yeah, it sucks. Cause I'm ready. I'm ready to get something bigger. Possibly have my own room. So I got more space. I've gotten into different crafting. I know I shouldn't because I don't have space for it, but it is what it is. Say when that thing gets to thangin'. So there it is, y'all. I wanted to give you guys an update. Oh no, my health. I'm on I'm on a weight loss journey. Slow, steady, sometimes not too steady, but trying to get healthier so I can be stronger and be here as long as I can for my kids, my grandbabies, old man, and for all those who love me. So I'm working on that. That's been a struggle, but I'm getting there one day at a time. As long as the scale's going down, not up, I'm happy. So right now, as it is, I haven't weighed myself this morning, but I have lost 3 pounds. I'm ecstatic over that. Um, so there's that struggle and that journey there. So I think that is all, y'all. I think. Yep, that's it. So that's what's been going on. That's where I've been. That's why I haven't been here. I thank you guys again for sticking around, for holding out hope for me, because Lord knows I need a lot of hope. Um, thank you for continuing to follow me, if not here on Facebook. I should have all of my links down below in the description bar. You're more welcome to check it out if you would. But that is all. I'm going to get off here. I got some things I got to get done, order. I have to deliver. So, excuse me. So, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And is that it? Yes, that's it. See y'all later. Bye.